subscribe this channel. Student, today we discuss about the next examples of the practice set 4.2 of the chapter Financial Planning Mathematics part 1 of 10th standard. Now the next question, in that question number 4 is Malik Gas Agency in the Chandigarh Union Territory purchased some gas cylinders for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and sold them to local customers for rupees 26,500. Find the GST to be paid. In that first you have to find out. Here is input tax and output tax at the rate of 5%, and hence CGST and UTGST to be paid for this transaction. For union, here you look here, UTGST is for union territories. There is UTGST instead of HGST. Okay, student. Now here we have to find input and output tax here at the rate of how much? 5%. Now then its solution is here is first I have to take here input tax by Malik Gas Agency. Input tax by Malik Gas Agency. At how much percent? At 5%. At 5%. On how much? 24,500 rupees. On rupees 24,500 is equals to 5% means that 5 upon 100 into 24,500. The 0 get cancelled means that the amount is 5 5s are 25 carries 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22 carries 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 becomes 12. Means that 1,225 is input tax, means that ITC. Therefore, ITC for Malik Gas Agency is rupees 1,225. Suppose that is equation number first. Student, then the agency sold. Look here, the agency sold them to the local customer at 25,500. Means that the agency sold the cylinder to the customer for. I will write the sentence. The agency sold the cylinders to local customer. Customers for rupees how much? For rupees 26,500. Now here is also the rate is how much? 5%. Therefore output tax by the agency is 5% of 26,500 rupees. Therefore output tax is equals to 5% of how much? 26,500 rupees. Now again the 0 get cancelled, then it becomes rupees. 5 5s are 25 carries 2, 5 3s are 5 6 are 30, mean that 1325 rupees. This is output tax. Therefore, GST you have to find here. GST payable is equals to, here is output tax. The formula for it is output tax minus how much? ITC. Mean that input tax. Output tax is 1325 minus this one is first 1225, then this amount is how much? 100. This is GST. Therefore, CGST is equals to half of the GST. Mean that half of how much? 100. Means how much rupees? 50 rupees. Now student, here is UTGST is we use here instead of this HGST, so that therefore UTGST is equals to half of this GST. Mean that half of how much? 100 is equals to also 50 rupees. Now let me write the answer in full sentence. Therefore, GST for this Malik agency is answer GST payable is equals to how much rupees? 100. Then CGST for this Malik agency is rupees how much? 50. And UTGST for this Malik industry is 50. Can you understand this? We take the next question. Okay, we take the next question, question number 5. Mrs. Beauty Products paid 18% GST on cosmetic worth. 18% GST on this cosmetic worth 6,000 rupees and sold to a customer for rupees 10,000. Means that this is purchasing price, this is selling price. What are the amount of CGST and HGST shown in the tax invoice issue? Now its solution is so simple one is here. So first we have to find out input tax here. Input tax. Input tax is equals to 18% on this 6,000. Mean that 18% of 6,000. Mean that 18 upon 100 into how much? 6,000. These two zero get cancel. 18 6 are 108 and this 0 as it is. So that this is the amount of 1,080 rupees. This is input tax. Mean that therefore ITC for this beauty product is rupees 1,080. Then we have to find out output tax is equals to, this is also 18% on 10,000 rupees. Therefore 18 upon 100 into 10,000. Then this 0 get cancelled. Mean that 18 1s are 18. How much rupees? 1,800 rupees. This is output tax. Here we have to find out GST also and then CGST and HGST. Therefore, GST payable is equals to how much? What is the formula? Output tax minus ITC. Mean that rupees 1,800 minus ITC is how much? 1,080. Now this subtraction is 0 as it is. Then from this 10 you have to subtract this 8, with that it becomes 2. Then here is 7 as it is. And 1 minus 1 is 0, mean that how much? 720 rupees. Now then that half of 720 is equals to rupees 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 0. Therefore, your GST is also same, mean that half of GST is equals to half of 720 is equals to also rupees 360. Therefore, answer in full sentence, GST payable is equals to rupees how much? GST is rupees 720. CGST is equals to rupees 360 and your GST is equals to rupees 360. Okay, we take the next question. Okay student, we take the next question. Question number 6. Prepare business to consumer, means that B2C tax invoice using given information. Write the name of the supplier, address, state, date, invoice number, GSTIN number, etc. as per your choice. Supplier is message, address, state, date, invoice number, GSTN. Then particulars is rate of mobile battery is rupees 200, rate of GST is 12%, HSN means that this harmonized system nomenclature, means that this one is 85071 PCR, means that one packet of this mobile battery. Rate of headphone is given rupees 750, rate of GST is 18%. HSN means that harmonized system nomenclature is 58518 and one piece means that one packet of this headphone. Now student, for first I have taken solution. Here is rate of GST for mobile battery. GST for mobile battery is equals to 12%. Therefore, CGST is equals to GST for this mobile battery is how much? 6%. Look carefully student. Then also rate of GST for headphone is equals to how much? 18%. Mean that rate of CGST for this headphone is equals to HGST is equals to half of it, mean that 9%. We use this. So first I have to calculate this. Then I draw one chart here. Now look carefully. Here is we have to find here tax invoice of goods sold here. This is tax invoice of goods sold. We have to prepare this. How to prepare? Look carefully. For this I have to draw one chart here. Now student, here is we write here supplier. Now first one is supplier. This is message, mean that I will write here supplier. Supplier is, you have to write any name as per your choice. Message, suppose that I have taken here Mauli Electronics. Then write its address. Address is suppose Shivaji Nagar, Pune, which is in Maharashtra. Now then I have to write here, state here date invoice number. So take here invoice number. Invoice number is, this is GST number, means that GST you have to take as anyone as invoice number. Then student we write here invoice number GSTN. All of you know that there are total 15 characters here. First we write the state code. Maharashtra state code is 27. Then you have to write the PAN number, mean that permanent account number here. This one is in 10 digits. So I have to write here. Suppose this is here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and any another character here. And then this one is 1 Z and this 5. Now look here, there are total 15 characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is GSTN number. Then we have to write here date, remaining here date. We take any date here. Suppose I have to write here 15 August 2019. Now student, then we take the next. Here is for this tax invoice. First point is serial number here. Serial number. Now for this I have to take some space and draw one line also. This is, suppose that serial number. Then second is HSN. Code, HSN code. Then third one is name of the product. Take some more space for it. Then we take here rate in rupees here. Then student we take here quantity. How much quantity are there? Suppose that in that there is how many pieces here? 1 or 2 packets of this. Then next one is quantity rate. Then we take here taxable amount. Then student we write here CGST. This is the rate of this CGST and this is the tax for this CGST. Also then HGST. This is also rate and this is also tax. Then last one is the total here. This is in rupees. Now student, I have to take all this here. Suppose that serial number is first one is now here is the particular is first is mobile battery here. The HSN code is 8507. So I will write here 8507. This harmonized number here. Then name of the product here is mobile battery. Mobile battery. The rate is how much? Rupees 200. How much quantity? Mean that one packet here. Mean that taxable amount 200 into 1 is how much? 200. Now student, here is CGST. CGST rate is for this mobile battery is 6%. Then the tax on this means that 6 upon 100 into 200. This 00 get cancelled, means that 6 2s are 12 rupees. Same, your GST is also 6%. Then 6 2s are how much? 12 rupees. Then student, this total is mean that this taxable amount is 200 plus this 24. It becomes how much? 224. Now then the second one is that HSN code is how much for this second? 8518. This is here headphone. Then the amount is rupees 750. The number of pack is how much? 1 here. Then taxable amount 1 into this means that 1 into this one is 750. Then CGST is how much percent? 9%. Now I have to find out here 9% of this one is 9 upon 100 into 750. 10 get cancelled. Then 9 5s are 45 carries 4. 9 7 are 63 plus 4 becomes 67. After one digit there is decimal point, means that 67 rupees 50 paise. Means amount here rupees 67.50. Again it is same 9%. GST and amount is also 67.50. Then total is here is 750 plus 67.5 plus 67.5. Means that 67.5 and 750. When we are adding it, then it becomes 10. Carries 1. 7 7 14 plus 1 is 15. Carries 1. 12 plus 5 17 plus 1 is 18. Carries 1, means that 885.00. Means that total one is 885. Now student, then we have to find out its total. So I have to take here this total here. I will write here the total. Here is. Now first I have to find out the total of this one is. This is 6 7 plus 2 is 9 and this is 79.50. Then here is also rupees 79.50. Then we have to adding this one is, we get that 4 plus 5 becomes 9. 8 plus 2 becomes 10, carries 1. 8 plus 2 becomes 10 plus 1 is 11. Means that here is total amount payable is 1109 rupees. Now this is the tax invoice for this goods sold here. Now can you understand this? So simple one. Okay, we take the next question. Okay, we take the next question. Question number 7. Prepare business to business, means that B2B tax invoice as per given below. Name of the supplier, address, date, etc. as per your choice. आयटम्स कोणते बघा, पेन्सिल बॉक्सेस 100, HSN number is given 3924, rate is given 20 rupees, GST is 12%. Then jigsaw puzzles is 50, HSN 9503 and rate is 100, GST is 12%. Now student, here is answer. GST is given, GST is equals to 12%. Therefore CGST is equals to 6% and HGST is also 6%. Okay, we use here to prepare the tax invoice here. Now this tax invoice, to write here tax invoice. Now first we draw the table for this. Some more space for it. Now suppose here is, I have to write first is supplier. Now name of that supplier, you have to take any by your choice. Suppose I have to take here Ganesh Enterprises. Now here is address, we write here 2728 Lane, suppose here Ganesh Plaza. Mumbai 40030, Mumbai in Maharashtra. State. Then GST IN number here, invoice date and tax here. GST IN number I have to write here. This is first state code. Then we write the PAN number. Suppose that PK 1234B and here is 1Z5. This is our PAN number here. Extend this portion also. We use this. Okay. Then we write here invoice date, recipient name आपल्याला तर write करावं लागेल. Now this is, I will take again one space here. There is 2 in that recipient name, which is here name of that is, suppose that Nauram Stores. Then here is address. I have to write address here. Mean that the delivery place. So address is Nauram Store. Tidke Colony, Nasik 422310. Has any PIN number here. Then invoice date and invoice number and invoice date here. I have taken invoice number. we have to take here. Here is first point is description of the good. Then HSN code we take here. HSN code. Then here is we take quantity. Then here is rate. And last one is amount. Suppose now for this I have to write second one is HSN code. Third point is quantity. Fourth point is rate. And last point is amount in rupees. Now this is the next point here. Now we have to write its description of the goods. First one is first item. Here is pencil boxes. There are HSN code is 3924. Quantity is 100 box here. At that time rate is 20 rupees. 20 into 200 becomes how much? 2000 rupees. Then second one is jigsaw puzzles. Jigsaw puzzles is HSN code is 9503. Then quantity is 50. Rate of this is 100. Then total amount is 100 into 50 becomes rupees 5000. Now, then student, we write its total here. The total is, here is directly write here 7000 rupees. Now then less discount. Student, in this example the discount is not given, so we write as it is, mean that less discount is dash here. Then next one is taxable values आपण विचारात घेऊया. Taxable value. Now this taxable value is this one as it is because there is no discount, mean that rupees 7000. This is the taxable value. Then student, we have to add CGST and HGST for it, so that here is add CGST is 6% and HGST is also 6%. Now you have to directly take here, mean that rate is 6%. Here is also rate of 6%. 6% of this 7000, mean that 7000, I have to draw right here 7000 into 6 upon 100. These two zero get cancelled. 4 7 6 are 42, mean that 420. So rupees 420 is CGST and also rupees 420 HGST. Now student, then we have to take its total. This is total amount here. This total is, mean that you have to add in this CGST and HGST into this also. We get here, this one is 7000 plus 840, means that rupees 7840 rupees. This is total amount here. Then student, you have to write this amount in this word also, in this tax invoice. Amount in word. 7,840 only and 40 only. Now then we have to also write their GST invoice state and PAN number also. So PAN means that company's PAN number. Permanent account number here. Now this is already we have tried here ADYPK1234B. This is suppose that PAN number. Then here is also you have to write one note such that please issue check in favor of Ganesh Enterprises. Now then here you have to write this is for, in that you have to write the signature here for Ganesh Enterprises. Authorized signature here. Now then I have to complete this. This is